I wasn't the best high school student. I struggled with mental health issues, and WSU Tech and WSU helped me see that there was a transition that I could do to go into the university, and they helped break it down for me in a way that I knew exactly what I needed to do to get to where I needed to be. My major is elementary unified. It covers K through 6 plus special education. I chose that major because I am currently a teacher. I just have the license through KDHE right now, but it is my passion. I love children. I feel like the people who work here at WSU Tech are not just here for a paycheck. They are here to help you because they care about you. And I think that's what makes WSU and WSU Tech different from the other schools. The Chakra Pathway experience has been unbelievably life-changing.